Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care. Here we have one of the Pallmann Spider sanding rotary machines. We're just going to unbox it, show you what you get when you purchase one of these and how to use it. So now we've got it out of the box, I'll just run you through the contents. Obviously we've got the machine, and on the machine we have the Pallmann light, and under that we have an additional weight. And here we have the power cable, the dust ring, a bag which has pads and other consumables. We'll go through that a bit later on. Inside here we have your Spider triple plate. Inside here we have your single disc plate, and here we have your dust skirt. So we'll start off with the Pallmann triple plate. So here we have the Pallmann Spider triple plate, which is ran by these 3 planets here, and the pads that need to suit that are also in this bag that comes with it. So you have your shim discs that go on first, you have your ninja discs that go on second, and you've got your support pads that go on third. In the bag also you have the soft pads that can go on instead of the support pads if you're doing very fine sanding, or if you're working on an undulated floor, it gets right in the grooves. Also in the bag we have some ear protection, a face mask, and an array of sanding discs to fit the Pallmann Spider. We have the instructions and operation manual, and then we also have a couple of these which show what orientation the pads go on and which grip to choose when doing certain sanding. So in this box we have the single disc for the Pallmann Spider. This is for use with your multi-hole discs for your finishing sanding and buffing pads if you were just going to use this as a standard buffer. Same clutch plate as the Spider triple plate. And then we have here your dust ring. So this goes at the bottom of the Pallmann Spider. Just like that. So you can just use it with just the dust ring, but what we also supply is the dust skirt, which fits onto the dust ring and then can be fitted onto your Pallmann Spider. Do another video about that another day. I'll just run you through the basics on how to operate your Pallmann Spider. So obviously when it's in this position it's not going to start. To make it start and make it work, you press this button at the top here, which will engage the gas strut, and you can bring it down. Now usually to operate it, you want to bring it to about this height, just below where your waist is on your thigh. It'll be perfect working. Usually 1 foot in front of the other. And then usually to start the machine, we press the yellow button in, and then we pull the trigger, and that will start the machine. In all cases, the machine should be started on the lowest speed. Just gives the motor a chance to kickstart, and when the machine starts up, you just slowly take the speed up here. Now if you come a bit closer down to here, this is where all the magic happens. We have the Spider light, which works brilliantly to see scratches on the floor or any finish that needs to be removed. Also have your additional weight here as well. Now here, this pin here at the back of the machine is what's used to put it into random orbital planetary mode. So for aggressive first cut sanding, you want the pin down, because what the pin does is it engages a plate on the triple plate, so all of the planets move as well as the whole disc moving. When you go into your intermediate and your fine sanding, the pin needs to come up. So to do that, you pull it up, twist it, and then it engages the pin to stay up. And then when you put the pin down, you pull it up, and put it down.